Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with a new video. If you like my previous video, subscribe my channel and share my videos. Today we will learn how to open an account on AliExpress by using mobile app. The first thing you will need to do to create an AliExpress account is to install the AliExpress application on your cell phone. Open the AliExpress app on your iPhone, iPad and Android. The icon of the app is shown to you, that AliExpress 11.11.11. Tap the sign in button in lower right corner of the screen. This will open a new application login screen that will be shown like this. You have to sign in. Select the sign in button, tap the sign in button. Next step is at the bottom screen, look for the no account register. Click on the tab the register link. This will open the sign up from on a new page. That will take you to a new page. So this is shown to you in the screen that you have to register your account. Number 4, AliExpress app will automatically detect your country, but you can choose the country yourself. Enter your email and password. You can also register using social network. Click or tap agree or create account to finish sign up process. Select your country. If your country is United States, select United States. Register to get US $3 AliExpress coupon. On your registration, you got $3 coupon that can be used during shopping. So agree and create account. By registering for an AliExpress account, you agree that you have read and accepted the AliExpress from free membership agreement and privacy policy. Next step is to finish creating your account. You need to confirm your email. Click on the gear on the upper right corner of the screen. Go to setting section. Next click on profile, then go to account info, then next email address and request confirmation mail. Check your mailbox and confirm registration on AliExpress. Here is shown that when you will enter into the account info, you will have to verify your mail. Once the verification is done, it will be written verified. When email is not verified through the link, then it is shown unverified. Coupon rules for the new users. By definition, new users are individuals who have never placed an order on AliExpress.com. There is a limit of 1 new user coupon per each new user. To use the new user coupon, the order amount must be exceed the required purchase minimum listed for the coupon. The new user coupon has set period of validity. Please refer to your individual new user coupon to check its expiry date. That means when you get the new user coupon, then it has expiry date. You can't hold it for a long period of time, and then you have a plan to do a shopping now. You have to use it within a time limit. The new user coupon can be used on both AliExpress PC site and on mobile app. Later order even if your first order is cancelled. New user may choose to benefit from either the new user coupon of US's gift deal, but they cannot choose both. The new user coupon offer may be invalidated for accounts that have been flagged or suspicious activity or rule violations. Don't waste the discount. Is AliExpress free to join? Join on AliExpress is free. Yes, of course. AliExpress is free to join. You can join it without any cost or without paying any fees. So thanks for watching my video.